Hello guys, welcome to Zach Animate Studios, your channel number one for graphic design and animation. Consider subscribing if you have not subscribed to our channel. Today is another good day for giveaway, guys. So guys, I have been studying on how to create my own assets on Iclone. So guys, I've used a number of tools. Basically one of it is Blender is a good tool, guys, for creating specific scenes. You can imagine like a client wants you to do some piece of work, and you basically, let's say a client approaches you and you want to make a scene, a dramatic scene, that is a cinematic scene. I'm sorry for the noise, guys. I'm in a place where so many cars passing around, but that should not stop us. So guys, this is an expression of some idea. So guys, somebody wanted to, basically he was envisioning his or her kitchen, and I just want to give this away out. I hope by doing this I can work with so many other people who maybe want to do this. You have an idea and you want to pitch your idea to your client, and the best way to do it is to pitch it through a 3D. You imagine you're telling somebody this is how your scene will look like from a 3D perspective, So this is just a simple scene that I have created. This is a house, this is a kitchen, and it has all this stuff from a distance. Let's just view it from a distance. So that is the kitchen door, all that, and then also we have the other side of the house also, like the kitchen. Maybe it has like two kitchens, the kitchen sink, guys. So this is how it will look like. So guys, you are pitching out your idea, and you want to tell it as real as it is, because you can imagine sometimes you have an idea and you want to tell a story, and that story is incomplete because what you are telling is clearly in your mind. But if you can tell your story, and that's the idea that you are pitching is visible, then you will be so much believable. So guys, this is Zach from Zach Animate Studios. Consider subscribing to our channel if you have not subscribed, and hit the like button so that you don't miss out. So I've decided I'm going to give out this cinematic scene from Iclone. If you are using Iclone 8, this scene is for you guys, so you can try to use it to tell your story. Maybe you are in the kitchen, and you want to tell a story, guys. So this is how you can tell a story. Or you want to display your bar, something like that. So guys, you can always hit them up, and all these objects I've created them using Blender. As you can see, here is my Blender scene. This is the cupboard. I'm trying to render it live. Just hit on render image. That's how it will look like. That's the same cupboard. As you can see, everything is genetically kienyeji, imetengenezwa kienyeji, my friend, kienyeji cupboard. Okay, so guys, you can support me by hitting that like button. So this cupboard was the one that I was going to replace it with this one. So this is what I'm just going to do. I'm going to delete that one, and then I'm going to import now the new cupboard that I've created import. So guys, it is real large cabinet. It is real. It's not that it has a number of meshes, like 15 of them meshes. You can see this is now the cupboard, and it is high quality. By the way I have created these ones, I've used 1K, we call them 1K resolution, 1020. Okay, there is 512, but this ones, all of my settings have placed them into 1K resolution. So that's why my computer could support up to it can go up to 4K, but it is quite large. So for this scene, I'm just looking out for guys who are using low budget PCs, guys. So if you have a low budget and you want to do such kind of things, that is, you have a graphic card of 1 GB or 2 GB, yeah, let me just say I'm looking out for guys for 2 GB. So guys, if you have a graphic card of 2 GB, this one is for you. Okay, if you have a graphic card of 2 GB, and if you want a scene for us, guys, if you want a scene, if you want this one, so basically I'm creating this scene for you guys. So you can see it has come out as clean as it should be. So I've just done that. You can see it is looking amazing, guys. This is an amazing scene. So it is real, it is not a hoax. It is real. So I'm doing this. Control Z, that was a mistake. Control Z. So I need to get the entire scene up to the ground, and then I need to scale it okay, my thinking process was, okay, I can also just share like my thinking process. I had to use boxes first, as the client told me this is how it should look like. I had to arrange them in boxes. Like I arranged, these were boxes. Okay, these were boxes. So sorry, I've moved it instead of panning it. So this one is box, and then this one, now this one will now come to the edge. Okay, so this one, it will come to the edge. This scene, yeah, so I want this one also, so that it looks perfect, guys. So that is it. Move it a little down, and then you bring it to the edge. Okay, yeah, my thing is moving on the wrong direction. Okay, sometimes I normally use this one, this. Okay, let's just move it using the movement. So you can move it using okay, this is left. Okay, move it a little bit behind. (42, 41). So let me just give it at 30, 38. I mean 38, my friend. And then we move it a little bit on the lower side. Which side? That side. Yeah. Oh, my computer has hanged. So guys, yeah, that is perfect. Let's give it at 1 170. That's where I wanted, and then we just move it a little, okay, not up but down at 40. So 40, just to get a perfect alignment to the floor. So that is it. And then we just also move our slider a little below, just like that. So I'm sorry, I'm arranging. This video was not meant to arrange things, but that is the scene. So I can just move it a little behind. I can just move it. As you can see, it is a high quality, low poly. It's a combination, guys. High quality, low poly scene. Just like that. And then I move it a little below, okay, so that it looks perfect. Yeah, though I have moved it a little high, yeah, something like that. So it also has to move a little down, move it down a little, so that it aligns. Okay, so this is our low poly kitchen, because it looks perfect, guys. It looks perfect. I'll have to ensure that it looks perfect before I present it, but this is some of the low poly stuff that we have created. You can see it is completely sealed from behind. You can still manage it. This is the first models that I created. This is now the complete versions, which are really good low poly, and it comes with the texture. So guys, consider subscribing, watching till the end, and then I will share the link for downloading it. You'll get this scene, guys, and I will share it with you. So guys, thank you for watching, and thank you for subscribing. Zach Anime Studios, your channel number one for graphic design and animation. See you next time, guys, and may God bless you. So I will teach you how. I will create a 3-minute video of how to create these cupboards using the main. Okay, let me use the techniques. There is using the boolean tool, the